They say loud pipes save lives. Laying down a bike is the best way to avoid a crash, and wearing gear doesn't matter on short rides. But how much of that is actually true? Let's bust some of the biggest motorcycle myths that too many riders still believe. Riding a motorcycle is all about freedom, adrenaline, and skill. But over the years, a lot of myths have crept into biker culture. Some harmless, some downright dangerous. Today, we're exposing 11 of the dumbest motorcycle myths that people still fall for. Buckle up, because it's time to separate fact from fiction. Number 1. Loud pipes save lives. It's a saying almost every rider has heard, but does it actually hold up? Sure, loud exhausts make your bike sound mean and aggressive, but counting on them to keep you safe is a dangerous mistake. Most car drivers are sealed inside soundproof cabins, blasting music, talking on the phone, or just plain distracted. By the time they actually hear you, it's probably too late to react. And here's the real kicker. Sound travels backwards. That means by the time your exhaust reaches a driver's ears, you've already passed them. If safety is your priority, relying on loud pipes is like bringing a horn to a blindfolded race. It's just not enough. Instead, smart riders focus on visibility, lane positioning, and defensive riding to stay ahead of danger. Number 2. You should lay the bike down to avoid a crash. It sounds dramatic. Ditch the bike, hit the ground, and slide your way to safety. But in reality, this is one of the worst things you can do. Laying the bike down means giving up control completely, turning you into nothing more than a passenger on a metal sled. Here's the truth. Your brakes and tires are your best chance at stopping or maneuvering. Modern bikes are built with advanced braking systems, grippy tires, and better handling than ever before. If you react properly by braking hard and swerving when necessary, you have a much higher chance of avoiding the crash altogether. So if your first instinct is to throw your bike sideways, you don't need better luck. You need better training. Number 3. Helmets do more harm than good. There's always that one guy who swears helmets are more dangerous because they limit vision or cause neck injuries in a crash. But let's be real. You know what actually causes injuries? Smashing your unprotected head into the pavement at 60 miles per hour. Study after study proves that helmets drastically reduce the risk of fatal head trauma. They don't just protect against impact, they absorb and distribute force, giving your skull and brain a fighting chance. And as for limiting vision, a properly fitted helmet gives you nearly the same field of view as riding without one. The only thing helmets limit is your chances of ending up in the hospital, or worse. Number 4. Motorcycles are more dangerous than cars. People love to say motorcycles are deadly, but let's be real. It's not the bike that's dangerous, it's how you ride it. Plenty of riders log thousands of miles without a single crash, while distracted drivers wreck their cars every day. Here's the truth. Proper training, the right gear, and smart decision-making make all the difference. Modern bikes come packed with ABS, traction control, and advanced safety tech, giving riders more control than ever. Riding takes skill, awareness, and respect for the road, and when done right, it's no more dangerous than anything else in life. Enjoying this? Want more motorcycle myths busted? Subscribe to our channel. It helps us bring you the best riding tips and keeps you informed about the latest insights. Number 5. Wearing gear is unnecessary for short rides. Just a quick trip down the street? No need for all that heavy gear? Try telling that to the asphalt. Accidents happen anywhere, anytime, no matter how short the ride. The road feels just as unforgiving whether you're going 5 miles or 50. Even at low speeds, a simple fall can tear through skin in seconds. A proper jacket, gloves, helmet, and boots make all the difference. Road rash, broken bones, and head injuries happen in an instant, no matter the distance. Gear up every time. Number 6. You need to warm up your bike for 10 minutes before riding. Some riders treat their bikes like old carbureted machines, letting them idle forever before hitting the road. In reality, this myth does more harm than good. Modern engines are built to ride almost immediately, and long warm-ups just waste fuel and cause unnecessary wear. Letting the bike idle for 30 to 60 seconds gives the oil enough time to circulate. After that, the best way to warm up the engine is to start riding, keeping the revs low at first. Sitting in the driveway, burning gas, and waiting for a magic ready moment? That's just old school thinking that no longer applies. Number 7. Leaning too much will make you fall. Some riders treat leaning like a dangerous gamble, afraid that tilting the bike too far will send them straight to the pavement. In reality, leaning keeps you upright through a turn. The more you resist it, the more unstable the bike becomes. Look at MotoGP racers. They lean at extreme angles, sometimes dragging their knees and elbows, yet they stay in perfect control. Avoiding the lean makes turning harder and more dangerous. Proper body positioning, throttle control, and understanding your bike's limits help you corner smoothly and safely. Trust the physics, trust your bike, and lean with confidence. Number 8. Street tires have unlimited grip. Some riders believe their tires will stick to the road no matter what, gripping like glue in every condition. That kind of thinking leads straight to trouble. Even the best tires have limits, and pushing too hard, especially in wet, cold, or dirty conditions, can end badly. Tires need the right temperature, pressure, and road conditions to perform at their best. Hard braking, aggressive cornering, or sudden throttle twists can break traction when you least expect it. Grip has its limits, and it depends on how well you manage it. Ride smart, respect the road, and know when to ease off before traction disappears. Number 9. Only squids ride without gear. Riders without full gear often get labeled as reckless or inexperienced, but skill and safety don't always go hand in hand. Some experienced riders choose to dress down, whether it's for comfort, confidence in their abilities, or just personal preference. Does that make it a smart choice? Not at all. Gear exists for a reason. It protects against crashes, road rash, and unpredictable situations. Even the most skilled rider can't control everything on the road. Wearing full gear shows respect for the risks that come with riding. But assuming every rider without it lacks skill? That's just another myth. Number 10. Front brakes are dangerous and can flip you over. Some riders treat the front brake like a trap, thinking a hard squeeze will send them flying over the handlebars. In reality, the front brake is the most powerful tool for stopping quickly and safely. Around 70% or more of a bike's stopping power comes from the front brake. Used properly, with smooth, progressive pressure, it keeps you in control, shortens stopping distance, and prevents crashes. Flipping over only happens with a sudden, panicked grab, usually combined with bad weight distribution. Master the front brake, and you master stopping. Avoiding it out of fear? That's the real danger. Number 11. Motorcycle engines last only a few years. Some riders think bike engines wear out fast, as if they're disposable after a few seasons. That couldn't be further from the truth. With proper maintenance, a well-built motorcycle engine can run strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Oil changes, regular servicing, and good riding habits keep an engine healthy for decades. Many long-distance tourers rack up insane mileage on their bikes without major issues. The real enemy? It's neglect. Take care of the engine, and it will take care of you for years to come. There you have it, 11 motorcycle myths busted. Some of these have been around for decades, but the truth always wins in the end. Riding smart beats believing in bad advice. Heard any other ridiculous bike myths? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and make sure riders get the right info, not just old school rumors. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more motorcycle truths. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.